Hi, I'm Erik Linask. I'm here at ComTel in Las Vegas, and this afternoon it's my pleasure to be talking with Seth Block from a company called Thermo Credit. Seth, welcome. Thank you for joining me.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
So tell me a little bit about Thermo Credit.
Sure. We're an asset-based lender focused exclusively on the telecommunications space. We have been lending in this space now for 9 years. Everybody on our board has a telecom background, so it's a business we know, where we strongly believe in it, and we enjoy lending into this space.
Are there particular market segments within telecom that you're seeing more activity in from more traditionally or today?
Yeah, I think, well, when we started, we were doing traditional long-distance CLECs. Today, we're doing more hosted VoIP products. We're also doing a lot of wireless products right now.
Well, that makes sense. Those are the two hot trends in telecom right now.
Sure.
How's business been lately, especially coming out of a recession over the last couple of years?
You know, business has been great. We went through the first phase of our company. We never had any companies have any issues. It was great. And then the last couple of years, we had a couple of companies have some issues, but we were able to work through those, and we feel we came through it stronger.
Very good. Basically, though, considering your current success, people are out there looking for financing.
Sure. Yep. And we are able to provide accounts receivable lines, factoring, and asset-based loans, and specifically in this niche.
A very positive sign for the communications market in general, and for the technology space in general, that people are out there now again looking for financing, and more importantly, maybe are able to that they're able to get it.
Yep, we think so. Absolutely.
What are so wireless, obviously, and hosted are the two big things that you mentioned. Any other major trends that you're seeing as far as what people are looking for financing for?
You know, we've always seen a lot, and we continue to see a lot on the wholesale, on the origination and termination side. We feel that our types of facilities can really help those companies out a lot. So we look at several of those deals every week.
How so? How can you help them in particular?
Well, typically, the better clients that these guys will have are looking for terms, whereas in the most part, they're having to pay in advance or very quickly. So our facility allows them to take on some of the tier one carriers and do sales to them.
Now, is that something that you're doing uniquely in the market?
You know, I think it is. There's not a whole lot of other folks playing in this space right now. It's very difficult for other lenders to understand the space, the carrier issues, the regulatory issues, and just the changing technology. So yeah, I think it is unique.
So the advantage to you is that you've got a company full of telecom guys.
Right. Got a company full of telecom guys, all of which also have a financial background. We're all CPAs or ex-CFOs, and we've been doing this now for 9 years. So we've got a pretty good understanding of what's going on in the industry.
Had any situations where you've had companies that you've lent money to go under?
We have, just in the last couple of years, and we were able to work our way out of those.
Excellent.
Yeah.
But I imagine as we see the market continue to recover, those situations are going to become less risky and
yeah, I think what happened a couple of years ago is just the economy itself drove some of these companies into some hard times. As the economy's recovering now, we think that it's getting less risky, but there's always a risk whenever you're doing lending.
So one of the big trends generally across telecom, we've seen a lot of M&A activity. We're probably going to see a lot more. What impact does that have on people going out and seeking financing, if any?
Well, it always creates a financing opportunity. For us, it's a great opportunity. We typically see, during an acquisition, we see two companies come together and the surviving company being much stronger. We are very used to lending into that acquisition, so a lot of times we'll do a simultaneous close where we will close on our lending facility at the same time they're closing on the acquisition. Again, unique for a lender. So because we understand the industry, we can get the due diligence done in the timely period and allow them to do the acquisition when they need to get it done.
So what does a company like Thermo come and do at trade shows like these?
You know, we're always looking just to talk to folks. I personally do a lot of meetings at these shows. We're here and just open to talk to folks about what type of facilities we offer. And trade shows, especially this one, has been just great for us.
Excellent. Well, I'm glad to hear that. I've been talking here at ComTel in Las Vegas with Seth Block from Thermo Credit. Seth, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, Erik.